Rooted deeply in China, Guizhou GATERON Electronic Technology Company Limited, established in 2000, has remained steadfast in the precision processing industry for the past 22 years. We are unyielding in our mission to commit to creating the best quality products. In this fast-paced and pressure-filled era, our G-Switch brings joy and convenience to numerous users when typing on their keyboards. We uphold a professional spirit, emphasize integrity, are devoted to innovation, prioritize efficiency, and steadfast believe in the win-win approach. As one of China's renowned switch manufacturers, GATERON is at the forefront of the mechanical keyboard switch industry. Through 2 decades of relentless efforts and continuous research, we have achieved remarkable accomplishments in precision mold manufacturing, injection, plastic molding manufacturing, metal forming manufacturing, and automated assembly production. We constantly innovate new products in the PC paraphernalia, consumer electronics, automobile electronic parts, and digital professional industry, accumulating invaluable research and production experience. Through nearly 2 decades of operation, we have made numerous breakthroughs, including the world's first fully automated lubrication switch, G-Pro 3.0 switch with upgraded heartless conductive pins, 0-degree silence switch, industry first cap structure, optical principal switch, and revolutionary magnetic switch which can free setting pre-travel. Moving forward, we will continue to bring superior products and service to our global users through our professional spirit, integrity, innovative mindset, efficiency, and a win-win philosophy, propelling the mechanic keyboard switch industry to greater heights. With GATERON, you are not just choosing a product, you're choosing a legacy of excellency and innovation. Embark on this thrilling technological journey with us, and together, let's shape a future of mechanic keyboard switch industry.